I've spoken Spanish for the past 6 years, every single day. Here's what I've learned. If you want to get good at Spanish fast, you need to start speaking. It doesn't matter if you know a little or a lot. What matters is that you're speaking. Speaking teaches you how much you don't know when you first start learning Spanish. That's why speaking is by far the best way of getting your Spanish good really, really fast. It makes you think, wow, I want to say this word all the time, but I don't know how to say it. So it forces you to look up and learn new words. Not only does speaking teach you new words and phrases, it also makes you learn about different tenses and also sentence structure. Now, how are you going to speak if you don't have anyone to speak with? That is no problem. You're either going to do two things. You are going to find a language partner in person, or you're going to download a free app like Tandem or HelloTalk that connects you with native speakers of the language you want to learn, so in this case, Spanish. With that being said, start speaking as soon as possible. This is how you get good fast. I just want to add a little note that you may be embarrassed to speak with other people at first, and this is completely normal. I experienced this, but don't worry. I want you to know that people do not care about your bad accent. They really do not care. People care that you are trying to learn their language. That is much more important to them than how your accent sounds. Now, along with speaking, you need to be listening to Spanish. Now, you don't have to go crazy and listen to hours and hours of Spanish every day. As long as you're listening to 5 minutes of Spanish every single day, this is going to do leaps and bounds for your Spanish. Your Spanish is going to go from here to here very, very quickly if you're speaking and listening to Spanish every single day. Whether you understand what you're listening to or not, that's besides the point. It's more important that you're hearing the accent of the language. That is so important. Along with that, you're also hearing new words and phrases, sentence structure that you haven't heard before. This is really important for developing super solid Spanish. One of the most important lessons I've learned after having spoken Spanish every single day for the past 6 years is that you need to have fun. Your Spanish is going to progress very slowly if you're not having fun. The key to getting really good at Spanish quickly is to have fun. Along with that, it's also vital that you take action. If you do too much research, you're going to get analysis paralysis. Make sure that you're taking action instead of doing a ton of research. While doing research is good, it's more important that you plan as you go and take action. And those are by far the most important lessons I've learned after speaking Spanish every day for the past 6 years. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it's helped you. If it has, please give this video a big like and also leave me a comment letting me know why you've decided to learn Spanish. Thanks so much for subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Adios!